Hello, this is hrbowers with SER486 to show Project 3 functionality on AVRDude. So we'll log in. We'll go to Google Chrome where we can download the project. Okay, and we'll download Project3-AVRDude. Now that we've got that, we'll move it to the desktop. Close this, close that. AVRDude. Read and write. Run with PowerShell. Run Project3-AVRDude. You can see it's reading and writing. Go to serial comp3. And I'll move this so you can see the hardware. Okay, so Control-C gets us in. We will delete the device log and get device, where you can see our temperature. We have a normal state and our defaults are set. So now that we've got that, we'll set the T-warn high to 50. And as expected, we get alarm 6 with a slow blink. So to trigger a fast blink, we will set the T crit high to 60. Should get alarm 5 and a fast blink with that, which we did. And now we'll move it up to 150. Okay, so that'll slow the blink back down. This time we won't get an alarm. And we'll move it back down to 60. This time the blink will speed up, but we won't get an alarm. You can see the blink is sped up there. We'll switch them both back to defaults now. Set that to 150. Set this one to 140. All looks good there. Now we'll do a get device to see those errors, or those warnings that were sent, the alarms. And you can see our event number 6 and 5. So now we want to test the reset function. This will shut the machine down, and we will see it comes back up there. Connection established. And we'll do another get device to see the restart event added. So there's our temperature events and the restart. Thank you very much.